in your experience, which approach works better for Amazon's prurient image detection, ghost mannequin or flat lay? For men's intimate apparel specifically, are there any other workarounds or image editing techniques sellers use successfully to get around this policy without completely reshooting? How long should the seller realistically wait for Amazon's specialist team to respond on or escalate prurient image case before considering that end? You're in a very specific niche, and not only in your niche, because you're talking about male, I see here, male apparels, but you also, this is for female as well. So I personally do not have experience exactly with this. However, from talking to other sellers who did this and or agencies, honestly, it's just going to be a game of seeing how quickly Amazon is going to detect, pick up on certain things when it comes down to if you're going to test an image that is just the flat lay of the product itself versus if you have it on a mannequin versus if you're having it on a real person. Why am I saying this is because you will see that most of the time, yes, Amazon does not allow this, right? But most of the time what you will see in almost all the categories, sellers or brands or creative designers, they are going to test all these things. So what I would advise you here on the listing that makes the least amount of revenue, test this out and see if it gets suspended. Now, if it got suspended right away for the image that you uploaded, great, you're just going to delete that main image and then change it to the next one. What we want to do, we want to test. And because I specifically answer this way, because you're saying what time does it require for Amazon specialist team? Usually when it comes down to a specialist, for someone to reply, you would need to go through at least 2-3 back and forths. Even 4 back and forths when it comes down to getting a specialist to reply to your email, your case. So honestly, that is the way how I heard other people in your or other brands in your category dealing with this. Yeah, this is very similar to, as I was saying, female lingerie and so on. They also use their female models. So female body, it's not a mannequin, and they still have success. So that is my only advice that I can do, and let me know how it worked for you.